Hi, I'm King 5 meteorologist Rich Murray here with the King 5 Plus forecast. And boy, beautiful day there in Bellingham right now. Actually, not a cloud in the sky. Well, there's a couple clouds in the sky, but hardly any clouds in the sky. A good looking day going on up there in Whatcom County. And you can see it's a few clouds there around Mount Pilchuck, otherwise getting plenty of sunshine. It's a pretty good looking Thursday morning and the last full day of spring today with the summer solstice arriving tomorrow. You see there a Columbia Tower cam shot kind of zoomed in on Mount Rainier and picking up a few of the lower clouds out there, obscuring a little bit of the mountain, but kind of a pretty picture. And then out along the coast there at Westport, we've got sunshine, but you can see this bank of clouds out there. That's a system that's moving down the British Columbia coast. It's going to be swinging in here as we head towards later tomorrow on into Saturday, which for the arrival of summer tomorrow is going to bring us some cooler weather and some damper weather, as a matter of fact, to get summer underway, but it won't last very long. That's the good news. Take a look at our pollen count from Northwest Asthma and Allergy yesterday. Low range for trees and grass pollens, weeds in the moderate range. I'm kind of surprised by the grasses because I have a grass sufferer in my household and he had a lot of itchy eyes, so it does vary a little bit from neighborhood to neighborhood, so that might be what's going on there. Take a look at our countdown to summer. Well, we're almost there, just one day, 7:42 tomorrow evening. It's officially the summer solstice and we will be officially into summer, and we're right around that 16 hours of daylight right now. It's pretty nice out there, especially when you've got sunny days, and those seems to stay light until late. Checking our first alert 7-day forecast, you can see we're going to be looking for a few clouds moving in, especially as we head towards this afternoon and this evening. High temperatures today getting into the 60s to near 70 degrees, and then tomorrow we'll start to see that chance of showers and cooler temperatures for Friday and Saturday, but we rebound pretty quickly as we head into that first full week of summer. Take a look at the satellite image. You can see we've got just those clouds off the coast starting to push their way in, and you can see this spinning counterclockwise motion. That's the upper low that's been up there in the Gulf of Alaska. It is dropping down the British Columbia coast, and it's going to swing inland into probably into Oregon initially, and then rotate up some showers that are going to move in here as we head towards tomorrow afternoon, and then we'll be kind of in showers off and on to overnight, tomorrow night on through most of Saturday. Might pause a little bit Saturday evening, and then we get one final little shot of clouds and showers that moves through on Sunday morning before it starts clearing out. We get some sunshine and warm temperatures as we head into next week. Checking our forecast highs for today, though, looking for low to mid 60s out there by the water, and then as you move inland, mostly in the mid 60s, but you get farther and closer to the Cascade foothills, getting into the low 70s there around Marble Mount. Checking southward there over Snohomish County, we're going to be looking for high temperatures today, most spots getting into the mid to upper 60s. As usual, a little bit cooler near the water. King County looking similar, upper 60s to near 70 degrees, and we'll be looking for the South Sound to be pretty much in the same range, upper 60s to right around 70 degrees. Checking down on that I-5 corridor from Olympia down to Portland, you can see they're going to be seeing sunshine there initially, then increasing clouds, and they'll see those temperatures in the upper 60s and low 70s, only in the upper 50s out there along the coastal beaches, and Olympic Peninsula about the same. We've got mid to upper 50s along the coastal beaches and a few 60s as you move inland. East of the Cascades, it's going to be looking pretty good overall. We're going to be looking for temperatures over there to be well into the 80s today and partly sunny skies. If you're headed up to the mountains, we're looking for sunshine there. A good looking day there in Hurricane Ridge right now. We'll start to see increasing clouds this afternoon, but overall still a pretty good hiking day up there. It looks like a lot of people taking advantage of that today for that matter. Hiking forecast for today does call for partly sunny skies. We'll see those clouds starting to increase. High temperatures, the highway pass levels today pushing 60 degrees. A little bit different story for tomorrow. I see those snow levels around 10,000 feet today. That cooler air moves in tomorrow, and by tomorrow afternoon, snow levels down to about 5,500 feet, and mostly below there, you're going to be looking for some showers or light rain just kind of moving through. And high temperatures of the highway pass levels tomorrow only in the mid 40s, so definitely need some fleece and that rain gear tomorrow. Checking those temperatures again for today, looking mostly at the mid to upper 60s and then touching 70 in some of the warmer spots around western Washington. And then as we head towards tomorrow, we're going to see increasing showers, especially in the afternoon and evening. High temperatures in the upper 50s and low to maybe some mid 60s. Saturday, we're going to see off and on showers mixed with some sun breaks. High temperatures again in the upper 50s and low to mid 60s. Sunday, though, we'll look for showers in the morning. Those should wrap up as we head into the afternoon with some clearing, becoming partly sunny and starting to warm, getting the 60s 60s to near 70 degrees. And then it will feel like summer as we head into the first part of next week. We're going to be seeing temperatures for Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday getting into the mid 70s to, well, right near 80 on Tuesday, and then back into the mid to upper 70s on Wednesday. Looking down the line a little bit, you can see, might see a little bit of rain move in later in the week, but we keep those temperatures pretty warm, it looks like, staying mostly in the 70s, and maybe as we head towards the end of the month, might be seeing some 80s once again.